How fast do you think you're throwing? Huh? A little bit harder than that. 2 more. Oh, that's it, right? You topped out at 46, which for your age is excellent. It's not even excellent, it's beyond excellent. What's in the back? Give me that tie right there? Nah. Oh, come here, let me talk to you anyway. This one we want to make a little bit shorter. Yeah. Next! Want to make